Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Robert in Kentucky on its RCI 69 Base Plus. Robert, we got you ready to go, bud. We unlocked the clarifier. Of course, you see the LED upgrade on the lights, which in my opinion is a must. You must purchase 2 of these when you go to the customer's also purchase screen. Purchase 2, okay? Also, you got the tune and alignment. So let's start with the RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. Got you at 2 watts all the way down, so you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 25 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 62 bird average. 250-watt slug and peak. Hello. At 135 PEP. Alright, Robert, it's ready to come to the bluegrass state from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.